Today, we're diving into one of the most transformative inventions in human history, the internet. In this video, we'll answer three big questions. What is the internet? How did it start? And how does it actually work? Then we'll explore the many benefits it brings to daily life, business, science, and society. Let's get started. Section 1. What is the internet? 40 at its simplest, the internet is a global network of interconnected computer networks that exchange data using common protocols. It's not a single machine or company, it's a vast, decentralized system made up of millions of private, public, academic, business, and government networks. The internet enables communication, email, messaging, content websites, video, services, cloud computing, banking, and machine-to-machine communication IoT. Key characteristics: packets switched. Data is broken into packets that travel independently and are reassembled at the destination. End-to-end model: intelligent endpoints your device, and the remote server handle most of the application logic while the network forwards packets. Standards-based, common protocols like TCP or IP, HTTP, DNS allow diverse devices and networks to interoperate. Distributed and redundant, no single point of control. Many pathways and systems provide resilience. Section 2. How the internet started. A brief history. 2. 10. The internet didn't appear overnight. It evolved from research projects and cooperative engineering over decades. 195 OS 196 OS, Foundation's early ideas about networking and packet switching emerged. Researchers realized that breaking messages into smaller pieces could make communications more robust and efficient than dedicated circuits. 1969, ARPANET, funded by the U.S. Advanced Research Projects Agency (ARPA), ARPANET connected 4 research sites in the U.S. using packet switching. It proved the concept of connecting remote computers for resource sharing and messaging. The first message LOA was sent from UCLA to Stanford Research Institute in 1969, 1970 seconds. Protocol development: Vint Cerf and Bob Kahn designed TCP transmission control protocol and IP Internet Protocol, a suite enabling networks of different kinds to interconnect, the basis of the modern internet. Email emerged as a killer application for ARPANET. Section 6. How the internet is governed and kept running. 11. 20. The internet is managed through a mix of standards bodies, registries, and cooperative governance, not a single authority. Standards bodies: IETF Internet Engineering Task Force, W3C World Wide Web Consortium, IEE develop protocols and standards. IP Address and Domain Management, IANA and Regional Internet Registries, ARIN, RIPE, APNIC, etc. allocate addresses and top-level domains. Network operators and ISPs build and operate the physical infrastructure and negotiate peering and transit arrangements to exchange traffic. Security organizations and CERTs monitor threats, coordinate incident response, and publish guidance. Governments and regulators set laws on privacy, consumer protection, and telecommunications, affecting how the internet is run in different countries. Section 7. Major benefits of the internet. 12. 40. The internet has reshaped societies and economies. Key benefits include: 1. Communication and connection. Email, instant messaging, social media, and video calls connect people across the globe instantly, shrinking distances and enabling new forms of social interaction. 2. Information access and learning. Search engines, digital libraries, and online courses provide unprecedented access to knowledge, enabling lifelong learning and democratizing education. 3. Economic growth and innovation. E-commerce, digital marketplaces, gig economy platforms, and cloud services lower barriers to entrepreneurship and scale businesses globally. 4. Productivity and collaboration. Cloud tools, collaboration platforms, and remote work have transformed how teams coordinate, increasing flexibility and global talent access. 1. Government services and civic participation. E-government services enable online tax filing, permits, and access to public information. Social media and online platforms have changed civic engagement and political discourse. 1. Healthcare and telemedicine. Telehealth, remote monitoring, and rapid sharing of medical research improve access to care and speed research collaboration. 1. Entertainment and media. Streaming, gaming, podcasts, and content platforms create new industries and on-demand consumption models. 1. Science and research. Fast data sharing, distributed computing, and global collaboration accelerate research in fields from climate modeling to genomics. 1. Automation and IoT. Connected sensors and devices enable smart homes, smart cities, precision agriculture, and industrial automation. 1. Resilience and disaster response. The Internet supports rapid information flow, coordination of relief efforts, and remote sensing during disasters.
Section 8. Economic and social impacts. New business models. The Internet-enabled platforms Amazon, Google, Facebook that have become economic powerhouses. Job creation and disruption. Tech sectors create new jobs while automating some traditional roles, requiring reskilling. Globalization. Small companies can reach global markets. Supply chains are coordinated online. Social change. New ways to organize, share ideas, and mobilize, but also new challenges like misinformation and online harassment. Section 9. Challenges and downsides. While the Internet delivers enormous benefits, it also creates challenges. Privacy concerns. Massive collection of personal data raises surveillance, profiling, and misuse risks. Security threats. Malware, phishing, ransomware, and nation-state cyber attacks threaten systems and data. Digital divide. Unequal access to high-speed internet leaves communities and countries behind. Misinformation and harmful content. Rapid spread of false information affects politics and public health. Market concentration. A few large platforms control much of online attention and infrastructure, raising competition and societal questions. Dependence and resilience. Critical services rely on networks that can be disrupted by outages or attacks. Section 10. How to use the Internet safely and responsibly. Practical advice for users. Protect privacy. Use strong, unique passwords. Enable multi-factor authentication. And be cautious about sharing personal data. Keep software updated. Patches fix vulnerabilities. Verify information. Cross-check news and sources. Be skeptical of sensational claims. Use secure connections. Prefer HTTPS sites and trusted networks. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions or use a VPN. Backup data. Regular backups protect against ransomware and hardware failure. Section 11. The future. Where the Internet is headed. Faster networks. Continued rollout of fiber and 5G, 6G will enable new immersive applications. AR, VR, telepresence, edge computing. Processing closer to the user will reduce latency and enable new real-time services. Greater ubiquity. Satellite constellations and alternative connectivity will extend Internet access to remote areas. Decentralization efforts. WB3 concepts, distributed identity, and decentralized storage aim to reduce central control. AI and automation. AI-driven services will transform search, personalization, and automation, but require careful governance. Privacy and regulation. Expect evolving laws on data protection, competition, and content moderation. Conclusion. The Internet is a vast, decentralized system that started as a research experiment and grew into the global fabric that underpins modern life, powering communication, commerce, science, and culture. It works by connecting networks through common protocols, routing packets across a physical and logical infrastructure, and providing layered services built on standards. Its benefits are enormous, but so are the challenges: privacy, security, fairness, and access. As users, citizens, and technologists, our choices will shape how the Internet evolves. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, follow and subscribe for more deep dives into technology and how it shapes our world. Leave a comment. What Internet innovation has had the biggest impact on your life? Social media, streaming, online learning, or something else? I'll read your answers and may make a follow-up video. This Tech in Minute.